Unlocking communication. I'm ready to talk. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase, I'm ready to talk. This simple yet powerful statement is a key to unlocking meaningful conversations, whether you're learning English or aiming to enhance your communication skills. So, let's get started and delve into what makes this phrase so important. I'm ready to talk. At first glance, this phrase seems straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. It signals openness and willingness to engage in a conversation. But it's not just about starting any conversation. It's about being prepared to share thoughts, feelings, or important information. This phrase can be a door opener in various scenarios, from resolving conflicts to expressing oneself more openly. Why is this phrase so crucial in communication? First, it indicates a shift in readiness. Perhaps you needed time to collect your thoughts or emotions. Saying, I'm ready to talk, shows that you've moved past that stage and are now open to dialogue. It's also a sign of respect and consideration for the listener, showing that you're now fully present and willing to engage with them. Using, I'm ready to talk, effectively means choosing the right moment and tone. It's best used when you genuinely feel prepared to discuss something important. The tone should convey sincerity and openness. Additionally, it's an invitation for the other person to listen, making it crucial to ensure a conducive environment for the conversation that follows. Let's look at some examples of how this phrase can be used in everyday life. Resolving personal conflicts. After thinking about our argument, I'm ready to talk and understand each other better. In the workplace, I've reviewed the project details, and I'm ready to talk about our next steps. In personal growth, I've been doing some self-reflection, and I'm ready to talk about my feelings and experiences. These scenarios highlight the phrase's versatility and its power to open doors to deeper understanding and collaboration. I'm ready to talk is more than just a collection of words. It's a bridge to meaningful communication. By using this phrase thoughtfully, you can signal your openness and readiness to engage in conversations that matter. We hope this exploration helps you in your journey to mastering English communication. Remember, the right words at the right time can truly make a difference. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.